So this Suzuki GS500, it was a theft recovery. I had to get a new ignition in it. To get to it, you got to take the forks and everything off, and then you can drill through. They got 2 tamper-proof screws there. The center punch and a small drill, it's not too bad to knock the heads off. And I ordered this new one off Amazon. That says a lot for this video right there. And when I first hooked it up, when I turned it in the off position, everything turned on. And then when I put it in the on position, everything turned off, but you can't remove the key because it's in the on position. So I went and started repinning and it still wouldn't work. I could get it to turn off, and on, but it wasn't powering the igniters and everything else it was supposed to. So what I ended up doing in the end, since it was a theft recovery, they drilled the tumblers out, but the guts are still good. So I took the guts out of the old one, put it in the new one. And when I took the guts out, compared to the old one, they're soldered in completely different contact points, like it never would have worked. So yeah, watch that Amazon junk.